Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your design on Canva if you're using the web app or canva.com. So basically, if you're trying to edit your document and you want to save your progress, first off you should know that Canva automatically saves your progress if you're connected to an internet source and you can connect to their website. But if you want to go in and make sure that your designs are saved, go in here, press File, and then after you've made your edits, come in here and press the save button. As you can see, it currently says all changes have been saved anyway, but press save and that will make sure that your design has been saved. However, if you want to go in and find where your designs have been saved to, come in here to the top left and go over to projects. And then you'll see all of your different designs here. You can actually go to this button, see all, and then you'll see all of the different designs that you have currently on your Canva account. So if you actually want to save or export the file, the image, whatever, the PDF to your desktop, what you need to do is after you're finished, you need to come over here to the share button, press share, and then press download at the bottom. And so you've actually got a bunch of different file types in here. It automatically saves as a PNG or sets it as a PNG, but you can change that to JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, GIFs, PPTX, which is PowerPoint documents, any of these different file formats. And after you've finalized here, you can press the download button and that's going to save this file to your computer desktop. So anyway, guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.